Hello, and welcome to our lessons on Microsoft Excel. I am Elder Darren P. Turley, co-founder of Joint Heirs Outreach Ministry, where our mantra is empowering change. It is our desire to go through this course. I am a 24-year military veteran who has served in the communications field. I have knowledge and skills in automation. I have knowledge and skills in the Microsoft software. I am a certified Microsoft trainer, and I train in Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, and Microsoft Word. It is because of the knowledge that I've attained over the years and the degrees in which I have acquired through going to education, through continued education, that I am qualified to teach this course. I ask that you stay with us as we go through these courses. They are brief, typically 5, 6, 7 minute segments, not to bore you, but to captivate your attention. If you pay attention to what we have to offer, we believe that you will be blessed and that you will learn. The course is basic, so it's not an in-depth course, but just an introductory course to those who are willing to learn different things in the Microsoft field. So with that said, we just ask that you sit back, watch the videos, and we ask that you allow God to bless you. We thank you, and God bless you.